And here we are again on daily vlogs, y'all. I've been looking at the rod. I'm looking at the center of the view of the phone when I need to be looking at the cameras and trying to do my videos here. But yeah, YouTube, man. Trying to do my daily vlogs. This is number 4. Day 4. Oh, see, I've been looking at the phone again. I need to look at the camera. But yeah, Roman, daily vlogger. Alright, much love, dude. You rock. Anyway, I'm out here working on this scooter that I have, the only transportation that I really have right now. And I know it's usually RC cars and stuff, which I need to get this transportation running so I can go up to Exoplex and play with my NASCAR dude. Cause yesterday I got to play on the shuffleboard court to start out, and there was a bunch of apricorn, or what did you call them? Anyway, there's lots of bumps and stuff. I don't have a blower, a cordless blower, one I can hook to my scooter and take. Anyway, it was a rough track, and then everybody was playing tennis and basketball, and I didn't want to go mess around, near them on the smooth tracks. So yeah. When I finally got to play on the basketball court, when the fellas went over with the kiddo, he was over there playing at school. But yeah, if y'all see my YouTube, you'll notice. But yeah, I went over to the little park area, playing on the swings and all that stuff. And so I'm like, heck yeah, I get to go play on the smooth track with the NASCAR. It's that little thing. It's pretty quick. It's fun. I love the heck out of it. Definitely rock the heck out of the low seat NASCARs. Pretty sweet. For less than $200 too. Stock brushed. But less than $200. Not bad, really. I mean, if you like RCs, grab them. They're fun. If you got, as long as you have somewhere smooth, concrete, that you can go play on. Or your basement, crawl space. Well, crawl spaces are not smooth. They're sand, gravel, whatever. Basement stuff. Cruise it. Got a big enough house? Play with the NASCAR and it'll be a blast. But yeah, anyway, I'm out here today messing with my my scooter. Working on this thing. Here, camera, flip around there. There you go. No, what are you doing, phone? Why can I not play the camera now? Anyway, here, let's just rotate it around. Hopefully I'm aiming at it. But I'm working on this thing. And this is, like, I've worked on it for 4 hours, man. And I was frustrated and a little angry. And I beat the plastic up on it. The whole front end up here. It's a mess. And I've checked everything else. The starter, the spark plug, the carburetor, everything. The fuel, I put another filter on there, but I got a bag of new ones over there. Sorry about the mess of the yard, y'all. Man, the car is pretty swanky. It's the, I can't remember, it's a Pontiac WS6, I think. So fast and powerful, man, that thing sounds sweet. Anyway, let me get back here. I gotta fix, I believe, goodness, if I can turn it on and get this to turn over with the one, no, start, I can't do it one hand. Yeah, let's see if I can get this to sit right in. Are you on there, camera? You can see stuff? You good, bro? You gonna sit right there? Well, let's see if I can. It starts turning. Man. Sparking, it's fueling, it's. Oh my lanta. Oh my lanta. Why is it not? What is slow? Do you think that I didn't see? What moved a touch? Everybody said, man, that's difficult. in the oil there. Everything's running. Or you're not running, dude. What the factual heck? It's fueling. Like, it's like right. I mean, anyway, yeah. Help me out, folks. I just, I don't know why I won't start, and it's quite frustrating. I'm on Social Security. I'm disabled. I get $967 a month to get by. $112 in food stamps. Please share a view up, comment up, help me build up my views, man. For real. I don't know why I won't start. It's, goodness, everything is connected. Anyway, I was just having a big hope and prayer that I could figure it out really soon. I have another carburetor right there. It's newer. It doesn't run as well as this carburetor did. But sometimes this carburetor messes up. But it's sparking. It's oiling. It's stay tuned, folks, because it's quite hard. I don't have a camera holder or a cameraman because I got one hand here, and I can't use both hands. I have nothing I can set the camera on right now. I didn't bring my DJI camera holder. I should have. One moment. All right, I'm back now. Yes. Hello, camera. I have my DJI phone recorder holder thingy janky. Oh, awesome. I had to get this lovely carburetor. Just switch them really quick. Sure the gas. I know where you pull that swap there real fast. Gotta be fast now. Oh yeah, what's the? Oh yeah, the ignition was really difficult. Sorry, I forgot. It's a bit difficult to repair this little fella right here. The fuel on or the throttle that way. I might get rain on today. All right, dog him out. Still lips. You okay, Pop? Yeah. Florida wind, huh? What's DJI Osmo lovely effect here, right? I paid $350 for it. Try to up my videos. Phone, come on now. Why are you doing that? DJI thing. Ain't even going in the correct angle and stuff. What's your problem? What in the heck is it doing? Is that gonna all jacked up? Like it's not even on or something? What's your problem? Nothing? Oh, there it goes. Okay, that's a little better. Up that way. Up, down. Alright, that. Anyway, back where I was at. You just stay right there, Bob. If you fall, there's a box over here. Alright, anyway. Gas line, carburetor, all this. Yeah, I need to make the throttle cables out. This is a bit off. just that much of a difference in the gap on it. How in the freaking heck? How do you do that? Because the dog, it's just, I don't think I can throw him up here that much. I think I'll just, that's right. I think it's as far as we'll go right there. And then, no much of nothing. As far as I can see. That's a bad gap. Here, if I'm going up a touch. You little fella. There you go. There's a big gap in the carburetor throttle cable there. Tightening this one in so I can hit that throttle cable. That throttle cable. There it goes wide open now. Just have the gap there. There you go. I'll figure it out. It'll work. We shall see. Hopefully. It's really good. Crikey, anyway. That probably will work. Okay, yeah, please be good if you'll. It's the next quick. Oh, I have to be pretty quick to pull the fuel line off because, and if not, it's going to leak and make a mess. I don't want it to leak and make a mess. That'd be very, very messy. They actually went live on YouTube, didn't it? My phone is upside down now, bro. You're recording upside down, phone. You goober. Yeah. Now I went up this way. Phone. Dude. Why did you go upside down, phone? Why did you connect it upside down? It was video connected upside down. No, it's not even connecting correctly. It's upside down. It'll roll a little, this and that. All that funness. Oh, what is your problem? Why is this DJI videoing upside down? What in the Hackleberry? What is your problem? DJI. Dude. Is that a little better there? DJI connector? Hey, what you doing there? Are you connected or what? Oh, so it rotates over. No. You're in the wrong angle, bro. What you doing? Different modes. But it's upside down, dude. Do you not understand that, phone? Jeebus H. Well, I have to stop with this lovely DJI video phone holder here. But yeah, anyway, I got disconnected the throttle and oh yeah, it's pretty windy out here in Odessa, Florida. Very windy. Alright, anyway, yeah. Oh, that's where I had it when I started earlier. So we'll just sit right here as I try not to drop it and stuff sometimes. There we go. Alright, Jervis. Here. Oh, okay, that way. There you go. Alright, alright. I've got to pull this off and connect to this real fast. Here we go. Quite fast, yes. I am Ninja. Go, Ninja, go, Ninja, go. You know what I'm saying? Used to be cool back in the day. Alright. Yank it out. Stuff it in. And there she is. Oh, gorgeous. Crikey. Now I show you. Unconnect this carburetor. Grab this carburetor. Plug this mug in. And ka-chingy, bazingy. Oh, easy jobbers, yeah. Alright. I can pull this mug all the way up out the way. Oh, is that carver box there? Yeah, and yes. All those are connected or tacky. So, let's see what happens. Morty, what? Oh, and I actually, forgot to do one thing there, Joe. I gotta tighten up the, Phillips, carburetor. I tighten the carburetor, Joe. Tighten up the carburetor. It's not making enough pressure and all this stuff and things that it needs to make with these hoses. I have about 13 feet of nice new rubber hose over here that I may have to connect. It's a nice bright green. I freaking love it. Thanks, Amazon, appreciate it. Anyway, okay, I done got it. Dang, gotten lots of juices in there. Spark plug is connector taken. Alright, try again, Jobus. It's so cold, dude. Yeah, well, I am quite a bit of difficulty with this to get the little fellow to start. My lanta. I've got the plug is sparking. Like, is it fired too hard? Blow a hole in the piston? It's building up exhaust pressure. It's sucking in enough fuel through the carburetor. The spark plug fires very good. I mean, can anyone please comment, man? Like, please. Help me out, folks. Like, this is another daily vlog on Joe's RC adventures, scooter and adventures, because that's my transportation to get around and play in different spots on the RCs with. Lake Park RC racetrack, that's 20 minutes from here. The I can't remember, Newport Richie RC track. Can't remember the name of it. Rich is the dude that runs it, but they're temporarily closed. I don't know what happened there. It's another 20 minutes that way. But I want to go to Exoplex. Dude, if I can get the scooter rent, I will ride this scooter for 3 hours north, almost to Jacksonville. I'm in Odessa. I'm an hour from Tampa. 45 to an hour from Tampa. But Exoplex, dude. Rocking RC track. Rocking RC track. I would love to come visit. It's sweet. But yeah, man. Joe's RC Adventures out for the day, y'all. Daily vlog number 4. Y'all rock, man. You're beautiful. You're one of a... You know, I can't be commenting or copying Roman Atwood's there, but there's in it. Joe's RC Adventures out. Yee yee.